In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have got multiple fixes for your problem. So make sure to watch the video till end so that you can hear them all. So firstly, check physical connections to ensure the microphone is properly plugged in or not, because sometimes the cable is not properly connected. So you can confirm it by checking if there any light lit up on your microphone or not, and then select your microphone in your computer. To do that, right click on the speaker icon in your taskbar, then go to sound settings and make sure to select your input device as your microphone which you want to use in your computer. As in my case, I have correctly selected it, and then you can see my levels as well. So make sure you have selected your correct microphone. And now the next thing I'll recommend you is to verify privacy settings to ensure apps have permission to use the microphone. So to do that, firstly we need to go to settings in our computer, search here settings, then open it, and on the left panel you will see privacy and security option. Tap on it and then scroll down here until you find option for microphone. Go on it and then you will see multiple applications here. So for example, if I turn off this option, then I can't access my microphone in this application which is camera, and if I turn it on, then I'll be able to access my microphone. So bunch of applications are here, so make sure to check the application in which you want to use your mic. The next thing I'll recommend you is to adjust audio settings for individual apps, as each app may have its own microphone settings. For example, if I want to access my microphone in Discord, so for that firstly I'll open Discord here, then go to settings here and then find option for your microphone settings or voice and video. You can see here. Once you are here, make sure to check your input device. As you can see, I haven't selected my input device. So for that, make sure to select your microphone correctly, and then you can see I can use my microphone in my Discord app, because certain applications have different settings and that's why your microphone isn't working. So try checking on different application, because it may be problem in your application itself. The next thing I'll recommend you is to check whether your drivers are updated or not. To check your microphone drivers, search here device manager. Once you search it, open the device manager tab and look for option of sound, video and game controllers. Expand it and select your microphone, which in my case I am using this microphone. So for that I'll select it, then right click on it, then tap on update driver. Then it will open this window. Here click on search automatically for drivers and it will look for updated drivers for your microphone. In my case, I have already installed updated drivers for my mic, so it may not be installed in your case. So try this method and update your drivers which are good for your microphone. The next thing you can try is troubleshooting your microphone. For that, search here troubleshoot settings and then open troubleshoot settings and then go to other troubleshooters. Once you are here, try checking audio troubleshoot, because that's what we are doing here. Click on run and then it will troubleshoot your audio settings and it may work in your case. The last thing I want to tell you is that test the microphone on other computer as well, or alternatively you can use the other microphones on your computer to determine if the issue is in the microphone or the computer itself. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.